We talk football. Let's say Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0. My brother, your name again, and then take us through.
Thank you very much. Kamala Mukamhelo, Letlotlo from Albertine branch, Namano Chairman Wamla. Spoma, see branch.
Yes.
Spoma Letuba, who were from Prawe to Popilo, Chairman Wetu. We need to mean Spomele, if 50 Chiefs signing. Umboni luphili chairman. No, Chiefs have signed. We are much happy alomfana lo namhlanje uthole man of the match. Bonisa khona ukuthi umfana uzela kuzoakha. Ngesikizwe ke obani bekhuluma Junior Khanya but siyabonga umfana ufikile chairman. Over to you.
Yeah. Upopayilo aka Shortcut. Yeah, from Albertine branch.
Yes.
Yeah. The Chiefs is an enye. Is an enye.
Yes.
Is an enye Chiefs.
Yeah.
The Chiefs is obulala abantu. Basazolimala abantu.
Chairman.
Basazolimala abantu. Abanye sebalimele namhlanje.
Yes.
Amabili eqandeni. Amabili eqandeni.
Slimani Sekhukhune.
Ikhokhomba. Malume shuta nabo makhelwane.
Ngiyashuta nje.
Shuta malume
ngiyashuta nje.
Bayakhala ntombi asaze arena. Asofa mamilodi siyeza ku. You are the next. You are the next. Nabanye futhi. Rolibu.
Endere bonga manje.
Enda.